What's up? What's up? It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. And I smoked an unbelievable pork shoulder, but I needed the best sauce ever to complement it. And I came up with this unbelievable Rum Chipotle apple barbecue sauce. And the apples were oven baked. Guys, this was so delicious on this pulled pork sandwich. If you love delicious barbecue, then make sure you like and subscribe and just sit back, relax. This recipe is really straightforward. I'm going to throw up the ingredients list here. If you want to hit pause and jot that down, you go right ahead. Let's move on. Check it out. All right, we're going to start with 3/4 of a cup of ketchup. We're going to add in 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, half a cup of water. We're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Then we're going to hit it with some hot honey, as much as you'd really like. We're going to use it to sweeten it. I used about 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then we're going to go in with 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and then some salt and pepper to taste. We're going to mix all that together, and you have the base for a simple barbecue sauce. Let's elevate it. So these are apples, Honeycrisp apples that I baked in the oven. And man, oh man, they're going to be delicious. So we're going to throw those in and just emulsify them down, fully incorporate it. Next, 1 smoked chipotle pepper. I'm going to grind this up in a herb grinder just so I can add that in and get an unbelievably fine addition of flavor added in here. That's going to be bold and delicious. Again, fully incorporate it. Next, we want that earthy tone from some coffee. So get about a shot glass or 1 to 2 ounces of brewed coffee, and we're going to pour that in. Next, we're going in with a 1/4 cup of some amber rum. Specifically, I'm using Boatskeg Distilling Hidden Barrel Amber Rum. And bud, we're just going to incorporate that. Let that seriously cook for like 8 to 12 minutes. We want to make sure we cook off all of that alcohol. That's really important here, okay? Then, once you get it to about this consistency, guys, we are looking fantastic. I mean, barbecue sauce is delicious. With these apples, you're getting a little bit of extra body and thickness. Oh, dude, it's that gentle, sweet fruitness that I just love. It's almost candy-like. The chipotle, it adds smoke and a mild heat, but it has that earthy backbone. The coffee, it adds bitterness, and this roast is like a dark chocolate roast, so it has that depth to it. And it also balances out the sweetness. That's super important. The rum, bud, that's barbecue gold with subtle notes of vanilla and oak. Perfect for our barbecue sauce. It's going to play beautifully with caramelized apples. It adds that Nova Scotia character to your cook, right? But don't forget the hot honey. Stingin hot honey by Halifax Honey Company is basically my favorite ingredient in barbecue. It adds so much perfection. That balance of sweet and heat is literally a 10 out of 10. Guys, I really enjoyed making this sauce. I was super stoked on it too. And you can see here, this pulled pork sandwich came together beautifully. I'm super stoked on it. And if you're stoked on barbecue like I am, make sure you go ahead, hit those buttons, like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. But I just love it. If you're going to cook something and you're going to follow any of my recipes, make sure you tag me. I love seeing what people have thrown together. This one was delicious. Super stoked on it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment below if you love barbecue. Until next time, take care and stay safe.